Want to tame your budgie? Here's the turbo version. Step 1. Sit down and do absolutely nothing. You're now a decorative Zen plant. Your budgies watch you like, okay, this giant seems harmless. Step 2. Bring out the millet, the holy grail of bird snacks. Step 3. Hold it out and let them decide. Do not chase them. You're not a millet ninja. Step 4. If they eat from your hand, celebrate like you just caught a shiny Pokemon. Step 5. During free flight, sit down, hold millet, and again do nothing. Routine is everything. And remember, every budgie is different. Some are brave. Others need 3 weeks of therapy before trusting your hand. But no matter how small the progress, celebrate it. More welliness and happiness.